Numeracy and mathematics experiences and outcomes are a set of progressive statements about children's learning which help us to plan our curriculum effectively. The national benchmarks have been developed to outline clear standards to be achieved within each level of the curriculum which support our assessment of learners' progress. The Fife Numeracy and Mathematics progression pathways amalgamate the experiences and outcomes and the national benchmarks. This progressive skills framework clearly outlines the developmental stages of learning in numeracy. The purpose of this document is to support practitioners in identifying key skills for development and devising a continuum of learning within and across levels to ensure personalisation and choice, coherence, relevance, challenge and enjoyment, breadth, depth, and progression. When planning, it is important to note that the pathways have been split into 3 separate documents to align with national reporting frameworks. These are number, money and measure, shape, position and movement, and information handling. Each level is broken down into the relevant curriculum organisers in conjunction with the Curriculum for Excellence experiences and outcomes. A balance should be planned for across any given year. Each skill within a progression pathway is colour-coded and should be considered as follows. Blue for building skills and understanding, purple for representing skills and understanding, and green for applying skills and understanding. Skills at the base are fundamental for further learning to be built upon, though these are not aligned to any particular year group, nor are they always the starting point for all. By providing a framework, practitioners can enhance their professional knowledge and understanding of these key skills and be responsive and flexible in their planning of learning pathways as appropriate to the needs of their learners. There is no intention that every outcome should be covered in a given year, and instead learners will progress through their learning pathways within each of the curriculum organisers as appropriate to their developmental needs. It is worth considering that skills relate to outcomes which are to be assessed, but nonetheless should be developed through a range of experiences. For example, within the first level structure of number pathway, the skill split small numbers and represent them in a variety of ways using concrete materials could be developed through experiences using concrete materials, pictorial representations, and/or informal jottings. Through repeated and progressive experience, we are supporting learners towards their achievement of the national benchmark, partition whole numbers with at least 2 digits into standard component parts to help with mental calculations. Careful monitoring and tracking of learners' progress in each of the curriculum organisers will allow practitioners to recognise both strengths and developmental needs. Schools, on an individual basis, will establish their own systems for evaluating learning to inform ongoing professional judgments about assessment and attainment.